So let me read it to you. September. There is a knowing that comes before knowing, a pull in the dark of you, a hand at your back that no one else can see, a quiet certainty of the river that it belongs to the sea. Follow it, even when no path has been walked before, even when the ground gives back no promise. Go afraid, then let the trembling be the going. The way the flame moves, precisely because it shakes. But to walk this way, travel light, set down what was never yours to carry, the borrowed doubt, the old grief, the almost that has kept you small. Grow quiet, grow exact, finish what your heart began, and the mystery keeps its word. Where you dared, a door, where you trusted, a room filling with light. You were never following the world. You were following the thread of your own soul, and all along, it was leading you home. You were never following the world. You were following the thread of your own soul, and all along, it was leading you home.